All right.
It's a green circle.
Very good.
It's an orange square.
Very good.
It's a blue rectangle.
Yes.
It's a rectangle.
Yes.
It's a yellow star.
Very good.
It's a red heart. It's a yellow diamond. It's a red oval. It's a sheep.
Yes.
It's the sun.
Can you show me letter S? Yes.
It's a turtle.
Yes.
It's a toy.
Toy. Very good.
It's an umbrella.
Can you show me letter U? Very good.
It's an unicorn.
Very good.
It's a van.
Can you show me letter V? Letter V. Very good.
It's a
Violet.
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 It's a door.
Yes.
It's a window.
What shape is the window?
It's a square. It's a donut.
What shape is the donut?
It's a circle.
Very good.
It's a pizza.
Yes.
Whale.
It's a whale.
It's a whale. It's a wall. It's a xylophone.
It's a xylophone.
It's a
X-ray.
X-ray.
Good job, Tina. Very good. And goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher Alex.
Thank you.